Sunday reflections. I hope everyone who celebrates Easter had a fabulous Easter. And today's card is reflection. Nope, resistance. What are you resisting that wants to guide you? So the resistance card shows up when you're pulling away from something that actually wants to help you grow. Whether it's fear of change, staying in your comfort zone, or old habits barking for attention. Resisting can actually just drain your energy. But awareness is the first step toward freedom, because you can do something to change now. You don't have to wait until more ups and downs. You have the ability to do something about it now. So become aware, allow the awareness to motivate you, and just do it. You only have one life to live, so do it now. Check out thedogmystic.com. Subscribe to my YouTube, Sherry A. Marquez, and see you later.